1, 2, 3, 4. What's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles, and today we're doing a fun tune, Happy by William Pharrell. Alright, let's get to it. Let's start by putting a capo on fret 1, please. So we got some nice, cool open chords with standard tuning, cape 1. So we got different things we can play this, more for beginners, just do the chords, or we can do the, or we can mix it up with the chords and that. Okay, so the chords are E major, 1, 2, 3, A9, yeah, let's go with A9, so that's 1, 2, D string, A string, and then just a B, so not a bar, just a B, so that's 2, 4, 4. Can keep the other guys open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, E, A, B, A. Let's do that slower. 1, 2, 3. I'm just muting, I'm just holding the hand, like not grabbing anything, just muting. E, E, A, B, B, A, 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 E. E, E, A, B, B, A. And if you want to learn that melody I was playing, part of the song, that's open E to 3rd fret on the E string, open A, 2 on A, 2 on A, E, D, open D, so let's see, so E, G, A, and then 2 on A string, and then open D, open A to G and E. We can mix it in with the chords. We have the chorus, which is the easiest part. It's the C major 7. So that's 3 on the A string and 2 on the D string. C major 7. 2 some kind of B minor. Let's see. Yeah, B minor something. So that's 2 on the A string and 2 on the G string. So C major 7, B minor, B minor 7, that's what it is, to E major, B minor 7 to E major, C major 7, B minor 7. Can't play that melody, just play the chords. Let's go to the chorus. C major 7, B minor 7, B minor 7 to E. C major 7, B minor 7, B minor 7 to E. Grab the break. Happy, 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 happy. Just E. It's just E here, E major. Chorus 2, 3, 4. Happy. Verse one more time. Come on. Fun song for sure on the acoustic guitar. So let's review before we end the lesson. Verses for more beginners, just chords: E major, A, B, A. So ba, 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 E, E, A, B, B, A, E. And for the more advanced players, we do the melody, or do melody and chords. And then chorus. C major 7, B minor 7, B minor 7 to E. That's it. Funky, funky. Thanks guys for tuning in. I'll see you tomorrow with more cool hits. Be safe. See you soon.